Asking Windows to find a file is like asking a toddler to find your car key. It spins around for 5 minutes, gets confused, and then tries to show you a Bing search result for something you didn't ask for. This is what I use. It's called Everything. It finds any file in my 1TB drive in 0.1 seconds. And the best part, it's completely free.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Everything is a lightweight utility that indexes your entire hard drive instantly. Unlike Windows, which search files contents and gets stuck, Everything looks at the file's name at lightning speed. Say I need a specific project file. On Windows Search, I'd be waiting. On Everything, I type SolidWorks and boom, there's the folder. There's my saved file.
Hackerman. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Setting this up, go to voidtools.com, download the portable version or the installer. Once installed, give it a second to scan your drive. You are now a power user. Put it on your taskbar and never touch the Windows Start menu again.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
I bind this to a shortcut key so I never have to touch my mouse. Just hit my hotkey, type what I need, hit enter. It keeps my flow state unbroken. I put the link in the description. If you want to see how I make my desktop look like this, subscribe because that tutorial is coming next. Seriously, stop using Bing.